Okay, this question is the typical differentiate, hence integrate kind of question. So if you focus on part A, which is just the differentiate, by now, I think most of you should be able to recognize that this is a product rule. So this is a product rule where this is the U, this is the V. Okay, so you shouldn't be missing this product rule out. So if you apply the product rule, then there will be a common factor for you to take out. So you focus on taking out the common factor. Okay, so you can like take out the common factor. That's how we get the differentiation. Sometimes it can appear as a proof. Okay, so it's just applying the product rule and take out common factor. Okay, so the next part will be the hence. Now, if you're going to be doing the hence, you are going to integrate this. You will reverse it by integrating. Okay, so you can reverse the answer by integrating and you get back the original product. Okay, however, it will be easier if you have chosen this to integrate back. So I am choosing this green color thing to integrate back. Okay, because it's when you integrate something minus something, so when you integrate like this, you can split into two integration. So that's what I'm going for. So I'm hoping to split into two integration. So whether is it a minus or is it a plus, you can split into two. So I'm using the subtraction part to integrate back. Okay, and then if you observe carefully, this part that you plan to split. So now I'm splitting these two. So when I split these two, this is what the question is asking. So you split into two integration, and one of it will be what the question is asking. Okay, so if you do the reverse from the first part, you should get the statement. And after you split the integral, you should be getting something like this. So you should slowly try to bring things over. So for example, I will try to bring this. So when you split into two integration, this will be getting you this. Okay, so which formula am I applying? I am applying the formula on EAX plus B equal to 1 over A EAX plus B. So the first thing that you split, you will get this. And then the second one, you cannot integrate, but because it's a product. And anyway, that's what the question wants. Okay, so you bring over this integrated format. Okay, you bring over this integrated format. I think when you bring over, you should get a minus. You should get a minus. I think I never amend this part, but this part is correct. Oh, then this part will be a plus. Then subsequently, this will be divided over. So I divide the minus 2 over. So that's how I will get the the integral for the question. Okay, so you choose the one where you can split into two integration, and then one of them will be what the question wants, and then you shift over accordingly. Okay. Hang on, let me double check. I think when I integrate this, I should have a minus. It's the minus that I forgot to write. The plus is correct. And then when you divide by a minus 2, the whole thing divide by a minus 2. Okay, then I will get a minus half, correct. Okay, I forgot to write a minus sign here. Okay, so look through. But if let's say your first part is already, you didn't do product rule in the first part, then the whole question is gone because your hands wouldn't be correct. So do take note of the product rule.